Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Scilab on Windows. For that, go to your web browser and type scilab.org. It will take you to the home page of Scilab. If you come down, you can see various versions of Scilabs and system requirements for it. To see system properties of your computer, go to this PC or my computer and go to system properties. Here you will see the information about your system. Now come back to your Scilab page and depending on your system configuration, select any one. I am selecting the latest version which is compatible with my system. Again, it is giving you two options. One is for 64-bit, another is for 32-bit. Select the exe file which is compatible with your system. Now download the exe file wherever you want. Once your file is completely downloaded, you can see Scilab version on your PC. Double click on it. Select the language. Read the agreement and say I accept the agreement. Go to the next step. Select the location where you want to install this. If you want to create a desktop icon, select this, otherwise remove this tick and say install. Scilab setup is completed. Just click finish and we are ready to use our Scilab. This is called as Scilab console, where you can see the executed command as well as you can do computation. If you go to new, then this is called as Scilab editor, where we can write a program and save it with the extension SCI. If you click on a question mark, Scilab help window will be open for you, where syntax for various commands are given. You can also search as per your requirement. So Scilab is a very helpful tool if you want to do programming in signal processing, statistical analysis, image processing, fluid dynamic simulations, numerical optimization and modeling, simulation of explicit and implicit dynamical system, and many more. The other software used for it is MATLAB, but MATLAB is paid software, whereas Scilab is a open source software. That's it for installation of Scilab. In my next video, I will tell you how to install modules in Scilab used for image processing.